According to Salmond, the very principle of strict liability has been narrowed down by certain rules and defenses such as mistake of law, mistake of fact, and accident. So, out of these three, mistake of law and mistake of fact, already we have discussed in our previous video. So, in this video, we would like to discuss about accident as a kind of defense taken against strict liability. So, inevitable accident is commonly recognized as a ground of exemption from liability, but accident due to negligence is no defense. Inevitable accident is a defense for the avoidance of the consequences would have required a degree of care far above the standard of care required by law. The question is always whether the accident could have been prevented by reasonable care, then the defendant would be held liable. So, in relation to that, we would like to discuss a leading case, that is Philbon versus Aquiverum Company in 1890, decided by the Queen's Bench Division. So, in the case, defendant's horse became suddenly restive. It bolted and killed the deceased. The widow took an action for damages, but the defendant was held not liable as it falls under accident. And in our next leading case, that is Black versus Crashed Church Finance Company, a case of 1864, and the most important leading case, Reliant versus Fletcher of 1868. It was decided that inevitable accident will not be available if the defendant owned things considered to be dangerous by law, such as fire and dangerous substances. As far as animals are concerned, a man is responsible for the trespass and damages unless it is an act of God or act of a third party. So he is under an absolute or strict liability for all damages caused. So, in the next leading case, that is Green versus Chelsea Water Works 1894, held that under the following circumstances, responsibility will not be attached. And those circumstances are: number one, act of God or unfortunate calamity beyond man's control. And the second one, that is act of a third party. So, due to the act of a third party not authorized by the owner, could be available as a defense under the very rule of accident. And number three, in joint benefit of two or more parties. So, in joint benefit of two or more parties, the affected party must establish the defendant was negligent. So, These are the defenses available under accident as a rule or defense against state liability.